Okay.
Please, together.
No, I'm going to go back out.
Because most of the people are on holidays, but up to now we have got 126, but we are definitely thinking to cross 150.
And it says it's money back guarantee. Yeah.
Okay, our first event record was in 2011 when one of our students did 35 A-levels. Normally, 3 or 4 or maximum schools offer 5 A-levels.
Yeah.
But with us there is no limit. So 35 A-levels, 6 A stars, 25 A's, 3 B's and 1 C. Second world record was made in 2012. One of our students did 26 GCSEs, 24 A stars, 2 A's. Then 2 more world records were made in 2013. That they should be very peaceful everywhere in school and outside. And they should be good in school, report file, and morals and ethics, and good everywhere, and then they can get the best result.
So how old are the students? Are they all normal?
From age 4 up to 18.
Okay, so they're school age.
Yeah, but we offer adults as well. Welcome. Welcome.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
They're all eaten as well.
What is it? Is it just GCSEs and A levels, or any other qualifications as well?
Actually, we offer
just
to
specialized.
adults as well. In adult education, in English, math, most of the adults.
Because what sort of institution is Best Tutors?
A best tutor is, is a tuition center
Yeah.
and a full-time school as well, and college.
So it's a full-time.
I mean, full-time we take only very few people. The one just like in the tech are making or breaking world records.
So you just taking a very small number of students.
Yeah, mainly this for
Obviously
students.
bright students that you're going to.
They are registered with the local schools,
Yeah.
but they come here for extra tuition in the weekend and leave here. Or maximum we are catering there.
So it's a tuition centre mainly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's the main purpose is really for, as an adult tuition centre. Or
No. From age 4,
No. I know you take all the young ones as well, but
no adults are very few.
so they are mostly children. Or
Yeah.
It's a private
Maximum
sector.
students
It's a private
are
sector
in
education.
compulsory education.
Well, it's institution centre. That's
It's
what
an
it is.
independent school, basically, in the private sector.
Yeah, we are mainly supplementary school, but we cater full time as well. But for full time, we take 2 type of children, either extremely behind or extremely intelligent.
So you get Ofsted, examinations and stuff, or not?
You're doing the EdExcel and all
Here
the.
is the certificate for Ofsted.
So you get all the usual
Yeah.
checks and balances that you got to go through. Yeah. So yeah, it's a proper school.
Even yesterday there was inspection from Ofsted at this time.
that was all their staff inspections.
We are working in preparation now for so many local schools. Even this morning at about 11 o'clock, I had an appointment with one lady who works in South Cumberland School for outside school. So,
Yeah, please.
you take a kasha with you. Sorry, yes sir.
Yeah.
So,
I have all the information.
and we are working with the local schools as well. There are some children they need extra help, so the schools send by their own. In that case, the schools pay for the fee, but the children come on behalf of school. We are running this policy as well. So here are our
Behind there, see that?
You can see over there as well.
yeah, present world records.
Usual students.
And I am myself resident of Pasma Forest. Street.
Whereabouts in Wood Street?
Sorry?
Did you say Wood Street?
Yeah, you know Leslie Finlayson.
Oh, you're up on Woodside Gardens, is it?
Woodside Park Avenue. I'm
Woodside
just
Park.
next door neighbor of Leslie. No, Leslie Finlayson, who was deputy mayor from Tories back in 2005.
No,
Leslie
she
Finlayson.
went off the council, I think, before you came on.
Okay.
So, I know, especially.
Yeah, wonderful.
You've come from one direction, she's come from another
One
one.
direction.
She's in the Labour Party as well now.
Yeah.
Terry's your neighbour. Your
Right.
neighbour.
Well, living in the same ward.
Oh, Sambor.
Yeah, up in Hillside Gardens, up at the.
And
Just off Forest
my
Road.
son, he was on the track of world records. But what happened? My mom died on 19th April during the exam duration, so he was badly disturbed. All customers I consider as my family. I mean, my students are my family, my business is my worship. So these two mottos, any will adopt in their business, whatever is the business, a restaurant or a coffee shop or internet cafe, whatever. Honestly speaking, I tell you truth that in the world, the problem is most of the businessmen, they are selfish. They think about themselves, they never think about their customers. They just think, even so many businessmen, they make such policies that any customer comes, we should scratch their skin, and even the next time that customer will not come at all, don't worry, but first time we will scratch the skin. I scratch my skin and put on the customers. Now, I'm living in a 4-bedroom house. I have 6 kids, 1 wife. In one room, 3 children. In another room, 2 children. In one room, only my bigger daughter is living as a single room. My wife all the time says, you put too much money on people, why don't buy a big house? Honestly speaking, I tell her, now clearly, last year I put 400,000 pounds back to the customers. Every year we make announcement, although we made world record, but still some of the results are not good. So the people whose children have lost the result, please come forward, put an application, and we will give you money back after proper investigation. That it was the fault of the student or it was our fault. Little bit fault is found, I always give money back. And to be honest, whenever someone come with a complaint, I become happy because I think this is a blessing of God, that I will give 1 back and God will give me 10 back. Because this is the saying of our Prophet, peace be upon him.
But how many students do you have currently?
As an individual case, I think, yes, sir, roughly 2,900.
Between 2,000 to 2,500.
No, you made the calculation today, proper calculation.
Yeah, there was
This
1875. 1875 was the.
No, but I calculated it was 29 plus.
Yeah,
You know,
because
all individual data. Where is that paper?
Wow, still, I mean, so up to between 2.5, 3,000 students. How do you accommodate them? And these are all evening and weekend children.
Yeah, and we have 500 staff. For every 3
500
students, there is
staff?
1 teacher. Now you will go practically and you will be
Yeah.
amazed because no school in the whole world can have 3 students and 1 teacher. And one fantastic thing we are doing in Best Tutors, every teacher has to sit for the exam for the subject they are teaching. Suppose if some teacher is teaching GCSE mathematics, he or she will have to sit for GCSE exam with their students and have to get A star.
So I've got no chance then. I've got no chance.
Okay.
I'm out.
So, A-level teachers, GCSE teachers, this is the unique system in the world I have introduced. Why? Because when I was a child and teachers did not used to teach good, I used to say that these teachers should sit for the exam with us. So they realized that how hard is the exam and how they should teach. When I was a child, honestly speaking, so I implemented the policy in my school. And I think that this policy should be implemented in this whole education system in.
They just do a PGCE, primary,
No,
secondary.
PGC is okay, but the thing is, in their own time, maybe they did master degree graduation of one. But the thing is, after that they forget, and what do? Only they revise the lecture and go. And sometimes they forget revising, so they go in the class, tell jokes, and kill the time, giggling, laughing, come back. Students are happy, teachers are happy. But in my system, no teacher can think to waste the time. Why? Because for every 8 teachers, there is 1 supervisor. On 8 supervisors, there is 1 head of department in 7, 8, 9. Head of department. So in this way, there is a completely compacted system, and also the system is, if there is a complaint, it is proved that it is the fault of the teacher. Now, last week, one family came. The child got D grade in A-level mathematics, and GCSE mathematics, and I found it was the mistake of the teacher, because supervisor, because he did not made the set plan for the child, because our aim was to get C grade, because that child was very behind. He started teaching him A grade stuff, which I completely deny, because if the child is C grade,
You can't jump to straight A.
so we have to finish C grade 100%, so that the child should finish with C.
Yeah.
So he taught him A grade stuff, which he could not cope, and he failed. So I gave 1200 pound back to family, and I put a 200 pound fine on the supervisor. So next time, clearly, he will be more vigilant than he should be. Now, because in mainstream in Britain, there is no award or punishment system. Suppose you are getting 30,000 pound per year, your children touch the sky or they go under the ground, still it will stay 30,000, and the increment will be year-wise. I mean, how old you are. I mean, your service is 10 years, this much, 11 years, this much. So they know that we are getting an increment every year. Why we should bother too much? In my school, if you are 10 years, your service is 10 years or 5 years or 6 years. It depends what your children produced, what did you produce by your own. Suppose if you can't get A star, now one of my teachers got C grade in his exam. Now he was arguing, no, this was, that was problem. I said, if you can't get more better than C, how can your student get A star? Clearly it shows that you are not capable. So now there is a warning for him that next year you have to produce A star, otherwise maybe I cancel the contract, because we do a yearly contract.
Wow.
Not
So all your teachers, you got 500 of them, yeah? You got 500 teachers.
not teacher, but all staff.
Staff.
I mean, maximum of them are teachers.
How
But
many,
staff,
how many full time?
full-time staff.
Roughly.
This is our chief accountant. So, Kashif, how many full staff?
Will be
Roughly
60 around.
60.
Yeah.
Wow.
And the others are doing
Sessional.
sessional.
Over full-time is 40 to 48 hours. Why? Because the wages are according to the hours. Suppose
And they all have to sit the exams they're teaching every year.
not all, the one they want increment,
Okay.
they have to sit. Now, just like Kashif is our chartered accountant, he has nothing to do with teaching. Even I have told him that you have to give the exam of GCSE accounts and A-level account. Okay? Why? Because we are producing motivation for everyone. And even I carry on updating myself as well. Now, in September, I'm completing another PhD. Even I'm 51 years old. And in private sector, you are not bound to improve your qualification. Your qualification is improved when you are working for someone. If it is your own business, mostly people are lazy. And my staff works maximum 48 hours, some of them. But I work up to 70 hours. Even all school is off, I leave after many times, sometimes 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours. So the thing is, when anyone will put their heart and soul in the business, and clearly it is not for money, that because of money I'm working for 70 hours. Most of the people, when their business flourishes, they rest. They go on holidays and they enjoy. Once one of my neighbor asked me, when do you do holidays? I said, my holidays is my job. Honestly speaking, he said that in the first time in my life, I'm hearing this, that my job is my holidays. Why? Because clearly when you are considering my job, my business is my worship, then you will do anything for that. One day I was working here up to 1 o'clock at night. I was so tired that I was not feeling good to drive at that time, so I slept here on the sofa. So this is the thing, that anyone will work on these ethos, clearly will flourish.
You can reach down
Don't get
and
the jeans in.
Yeah, do me a favour. Take one, this is going to the newspaper.
Smile everyone. And again. And again.
Oh, that's nice pictures.
Hello everyone.
Come on, Nissi.
Oh, you want to say one? Come on, come on, lad. Smile, big smile. Come on. Oh yeah.
There you go.
Oh yes, 1, 2, 3.
Because it's easy for you.
What
I
I
mean,
told her,
on your way.
Yeah, you
she
can.
will be here by 29. So after 29 is okay because I wish that she
Yeah,
should
no
get
problem.
something
After 29th is fine.
If you
Oh,
could-
that'd be good.
Yes.
After
Yes, that's
29th
good.
is fine.
Yes, that makes sense.
Okay,
and
shall
she
we-
lives in Leytonstone. That's from Colgrave Road.
Yeah, all very good.
Okay.
Do you
probably
want
not
to list on the names of the students who they are?
Well, it's just the one, really, isn't it? The one that we're making a fuss about.
Yeah, one walk back first, the
One.
rest will just
Doesn't
come.
have to be
Second,
just one.
if
You'll bring
see-
3 or 4 just
Oh,
to
yeah,
get that.
you can ask your education advisor or your education cabinet member
Yeah.
that
I'll see you
there is
later.
no record, at least in Waltham Forest, in year 8 someone has got 3 star, 3.
Yes, bring them.